rivalry ha. And according to our poll, masyadong dikit ang laban. 51% over 49%. Alam mo, in favor of our girl, Shari.
Pero in the end, sino kaya ang mananalo? Pero mas curious ako kung sino ang world-class celebrity endorser na ito.
Noreen?
Are we leaving? Sorry, I'm still waiting for Miss Kim to deliver the sample products. She said she's already on her way.
We have a problem. Tara is missing.
What?
Bangin durog kasapten, imi opsa sa'yo. She's not answering any of my calls.
Alright. 제가 한 번 더 전화해볼게요, 계속.
That's hers. It's not like her to live without her phone.
Ijeyo to Kaji.
Oh my God, Noreen, ano bang ginagawa mo? Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo, I wanna be alone? Ava na lang ako kapag nandyan na si Tara.
I'm sorry, Shari. Pero kailangan mong malaman na nawawala si Tara Park.
What do you mean nawawala?
Bigla na lang siyang umalis. Tapos hindi na siya makontak ng assistant niya.
What? Paano na yung presentation?
Pwede bang isipin muna natin ang kaligtasan ni Tara?
Well, I'm sorry, Noreen. I'm just being practical. Ayoko masaya yung pagpunta natin dito sa Korea and Miss V is counting on us.
Mas mabuti nga sabihin natin kay Miss Velma kung anong nangyayari.
No! Nakita mo naman at narinig mo naman kung paano niya ako kausapin kanina, di ba? I don't want her to be scolding me again.
Hanapin na lang natin si Tara. Let's go.
Criselda, have you heard from Noreen and Shari? I haven't heard from them.
Hindi din po sila sumasagot sa tawag.
I just want to know the update. Ano nangyari sa meeting nila with Tara Park?
By the way, Miss V, may dumating po kayong parcel.
I never ordered anything online.
Baka may nagpadala lang po sa inyo. Excuse me.
Marie Armales.
Eh, but tinan mo, if you compare this quarter to the last
Eddie.
one, Han, what are you doing here?
I would like to request everyone to leave the room. Meeting adjourned.
Gentlemen, give us 5 minutes, please. I don't know what is this about. Importante yung meeting na to.
Mas importante kaysa dito?
What is this? Saan mo nakuha to?
Someone sent it to me.
Then who has a copy of this video? I already made sure na hindi ito makakalabas. Pinasira ko na lahat ng kopya.
Obviously, hindi lahat. May nakakaalam pa at may nakakakita pa.
Who the hell's Maria Armani?
Betrayal is the most painful stab to the heart. It pierces the soul. Pero masakit lang ito dahil nagmahal ka. At lahat daw na nagmamahal, nasasaktan. And when we love, we are almost always blind, even to the most excruciating pain.
Yan!
Wow, Velma. Velma, ang galing mo.
Sure na sure akong hinding-hindi mangangaliwa ang mister niyo pag nakita ka niya.
You think he'll say I'm beautiful?
Kahit walang makeup, ang ganda-ganda niyo na po. Hindi niyo deserve ipagpalit kahit kanino, ma'am.
That's because you're so good. Teka, Velma, ano bang sekreto mo?
Ma'am, atin-atin lang po to, ha. Huwag na lang po kayong maingay kasi bawal po to pag nag-home service ako. Pero sariling products po yung ginamit ko sa inyo. And effective po to, hindi po kagaya nung nasa mall. Kita niyo naman.
You are so talented. Bibili ko lahat ng products mo. You're a genius.
Thank you.
Wow. You are a very beautiful genius. Hi, Ma.